Well, hello guys and gals, and welcome to a brand new episode.
Me too.
And today we are diving into BMX dirt jumps and beautiful Southern California. Yeah, let's dive into it. Welcome guys and gals to a brand new episode, and yes, like I said, we're going to be diving into BMX jumping. Now normally my channel is about motorcycle rides and reviews of parts, gear, stuff like that. If you haven't seen any of my stuff in my old videos, go jump back to see some of those videos. It'll greatly help. But today I decided to kind of get back to my roots and show some old footage, some BMX jumps that I used to do back in the day. Now, if you are a fan of this channel, you would know that I was originally from Southern California.
You just drop in and just smack the lip, whoop-ah, drop down, snap, ah.
Being that anytime that I couldn't be on a dirt bike, I would be on two wheels, either jumping my BMX or diving into mountain biking or something like that. But we're going to talk about the world famous Sheephills. Now, this is a place that has been established for a very long time, and anybody in Southern California, BMX jumper, is fully aware of this place. I personally have met many people from like France, Germany. They will literally travel, and when they're in the area, they will definitely come to at least try some of the jumps and have a really good time. So anyways, I filmed back in 2014. I made several videos, but I never really put them out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now just for the fun of it. And I really thought maybe you guys and gals would enjoy it.
Maybe.
Considering the fact that Boozer Jam is coming up, you know what, in general, I really want to keep the heritage of Sheephills the way it is and not have it fall like some of the other places like Regency and some of these other places that if you're a BMX rider, Southern California, you know exactly what areas I'm talking about. But other than that, guys and gals, I've been going there for a very long time. We'll talk more about that after, so stick around. And if you want to see part number 2, it has many other people that actually I even put by name in my edit. Please, if I can get up to 50 likes on this video, I will put number 2 up. So guys, if you're a loyal Sheephills person, just hit that like, share this video, make it so I can get to number 2. Because again, I have another video and I have so many people in that one that if you're from that area from 2013 to 2015, 16, you would definitely recognize and see yourself. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. Stick around to the very end. Yeah, here we go. Boom.
This is the most reading I've done in years.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel
Okay, guys and gals, I really hope that you did enjoy that video. I've been going there ever since 1989, and for those that are true loyal Sheephills persons, there's 2 sections that I truly do miss. And if you know it, I'm not going to give the names, but I would like you guys and gals to leave a comment below. The 2 sections that are absolutely, well, first, they're definitely not there, but they were one of the funnest things to do, especially in the 90s, late 90s. If you know the name of it, definitely leave a comment below, and I would love to see what you guys say. But there's 2 specific sections that, let's just say, you would come out of one jump, and it would lead into a section that would lead into another section, and that is no longer there. So leave in the comments below what's the name, and I will be more than happy to, in the next video, again, 50 likes, I'll get up and I'll put the part number 2 up. But yeah, basically, I'll definitely give you a shout out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And again, I miss dirt jumping. I would actually like to get back into it, especially on my field. I could build some fun jumps out here. But again, I just need to get more dirt. It's one of those things. All right, guys and gals, really hope you enjoyed. Take care, ride safe, ride smart, be smart, and as I always say, don't do drugs. Until next time, I will see you all later. Peace.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear.